Hello guys, welcome to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to get anime filter on Snapchat on your Android. Before that, so you don't miss of any our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and let's start it. First of all, we go to the Snapchat application here. After that, you can scroll slightly, click here. If you don't use the anime filter, you can click explore and then you search about anime. Click one of the anime you can use and then you can see the anime is work. You can press and hold to make the video, or can you just do with that? And this is a tutorial how to fix and how to use the anime filter on your Snapchat. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.